Hello everyone, I hope you are having a nice day. And here is today's letter. What do you think of its shape? What does it look like? Maybe like one small c and one capital C? As for the sound, it's related to the sound you learned in the previous episode. Remember, ha? And how do you tighten your throat muscles to make a breathy sound? Ha, ha. You do the same here, in the same part of your throat. But it's more of a throaty sound. And you add your voice. Ah, ah. Ha is voiceless. Ha, ha. Here it's ah, ah. Your vocal cords vibrate. Ah, ah. Is it challenging? Don't worry. With practice, you will pronounce it correctly. It's just that the throat isn't used to pronounce this letter in most languages, and it needs training to get used to it. It comes from the middle of the throat, and your lower lip stretches when you pronounce it. Ah, ah. Try it with me. Ah, ah. Please repeat again. Ah, ah. Notice what happens if you don't constrict the muscles. The sound comes as a hard E. Ah, ah. Now constrict the muscles. Ah, ah. Before you close the video, focus on the shape and repeat the sound as many times as you can. Keep practicing, practicing, practicing.